We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Hey everybody, we wanted to make a little video just kind of because we're super excited right now about connecting with other artists on YouTube. Like, it's been so fun meeting and getting to know other artists on YouTube and learning so much about art, and we are so excited today because we put YouTube on and we saw that one of our YouTube friends, Jason Creation by Jason, put up a video that we sort of started a collaboration about, I don't know, a week ago maybe. Jason was looking for some inspiration. He had put a video online of like a month ago or something, and Aaron commented how much he liked it and asked if he was still creating, and Jason said, "Not really, do you have any ideas for me?" And we were like, well, we just finished this death mask, this sarcophagus, and we sent him a picture and had no idea he was going to turn it into this amazing thing. He painted a gorgeous oil painting out of it and then made a video about it, and we're so excited and thankful that he let us collaborate with him to showcase each other's art. So thank you so much, Jason. We love it so much. It's amazing. The video is so cool. We're watching it right now and enjoying it, and I hope everybody else who sees it enjoys it too.